Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cassie and I'm back with another video for you guys. So today is Saturday and I'm going to Food Bazaar to go get little things that I need for this week. Nothing really major, something just little, but you know, I just had to go to the store. My outfit is really cute. I wish I can show you guys, but you can see from this that the outfit is cute. Yeah. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys later. Guys, I somehow convinced Sadat to escort me to Food Bazaar. So we are going to Food Bazaar together. My idea is already there because that one Kuku wear dress and took the lead and we allowed her go. So we are coming. Mind you, this girl does not have no dog in her house. Why did you touch it? Why did you touch it?
So I can't touch it.
Okay. I'm not going to get no box. I'm going to go $4, $5. Ah, cause on $5. This is the maple donut. Let me sing it back. Very nice.
Nankala better pass na Vongo cry.
You say then those names then we take food. Like I don't feel Nankala. If you can say you be lie, you say.
فقير واقف بالباب أدعو وما في يدي قرب غير حبي فقير واقف بالباب أدعو وما في يدي قرب غير حبي فإن عافيتني فلا أنت أهل وإن أبعدتني فبسوء ذنبي فإن عافيتني فلا أنت أهل وإن أبعدتني فبسوء ذنبي وإن أبعدتني
Salam everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today is actually Sunday. Yesterday the last part of the vlog you guys saw is when we're in the Uber coming home. We actually spent so much time in Food Bazaar because Maridia couldn't find a lot of stuff, and we're just like, looking for stuff, and I was also looking to buy other stuff that I was not even looking for. But anyways, today is Sunday. Today's a real chill day, guys. Guess what? It's actually snowing outside right now. Yesterday afternoon we all got a message from the mayor, and he actually said that there was a snowstorm happening. Me cry, I didn't know. It's through TikTok that I knew that there was a snowstorm happening. But yeah, it's currently snowing outside, but it's not crazy right now. But I know it's gonna be crazy by tomorrow morning when I have to go to work. Mind you, it snowed like crazy in January, like mid-January, and literally the snow just cleared like last week, and right now it's about to snow again, and oh god, I hate it. But anyways, I'm preparing right now. Actually, right, I have to go and pray right now. I have to pray Asr, so I'm just gonna leave everything and go pray and come back. I had to just put the beans on fire because you know beans is really hard to deal with, and I also had to, you know, make sure that I bake the veggies to make it very simple and easy to deal with, period. But guys, the reason why I wanted to come on here right now is because as I was making this food, my auntie Ricky called me and told me that she actually has food for us, and I was like, damn, because we are making food. But I told her, oh okay, then I'm gonna put it in the fridge, and tomorrow inshallah, since I have work anyways, when I come back from work, it'll be a chill night for me, just microwave this food and just eat it. So she actually brought us agushi soup and rice balls, and also brought me jollof rice. That's crazy. Clock it. So guys, what the freak, I also want to say, like, a lot of times, like, I really do see on TikTok and stuff that like, oh, my father's side of the family and stuff. But guys, I can't lie, like, my father's side of the family is good. Like, I don't know, like, for me, I'm very much lucky because I grew up with my father's brothers and sisters in the same house actually, and like we've been like, I really do love them, and they, like, we grew up together, so it's not on no type of like, oh, I'm lying, no. And then my uncle and aunties here, all of them are from my dad's side, and like they treat me super well. So I, honestly speaking, I don't know. But anyways, that was just by the way. But I'm gonna show you the food that Auntie Ricky brought, and then I'll go and pray and come back, and we'll make our waakey. Call that. Ah! Guys, so this is the jollof rice. Anyways, this is the jollof. God, I beg. Oh God, I beg. This is the jollof, and this is the soup. The soup is actually my day and I. So let me open the soup. Hey, God, I beg. Oh, guys, if you see the way it's smelling here, it smells real good. Like, hey, I said Nina. And then we have the rice balls in here. Rice balls, yes, so will be rice balls here. So yeah, I'm gonna pack it right now and go pray and come back.
فقير واقف بالباب أدعو وما في يدي قربى غير حبي فقير واقف بالباب أدعو وما في يدي قربى غير حبي فإن عافيتني فلا أنت أهل وإن أبعدتني فبسوء ذنبي فإن عافيتني فلا أنت أهل وإن أبعدتني فبسوء ذنبي وإن أبعدتني فقير واقف بالباب أدعو وما في يدي قربى غير حبي فقير واقف بالباب أدعو وما في يدي قربى غير حبي فإن عافيتني فلا أنت أهل وإن أبعدتني فبسوء ذنبي فإن عافيتني فلا أنت أهل وإن أبعدتني فبسوء ذنبي وإن أبعدتني فقير واقف بالباب أدعو وما في يدي قرب غير حبي فقير واقف بالباب أدعو وما في يدي قرب غير حبي فإن عافيتني فلا أنت أهل وإن أبعدتني فبسوء ذنبي فإن عافيتني فلا أنت أهل وإن أبعدتني فبسوء ذنبي وإن أبعدتني فقير واقف بالباب أدعو وما في يدي قرب غير حبي فقير واقف بالباب أدعو وما في يدي قرب غير حبي فإن عافيتني فلا أنت أهل وإن أبعدتني فبسوء ذنبي فإن عافيتني فلا أنت أهل وإن أبعدتني فبسوء ذنبي وإن أبعدتني فقير واقف بالباب أدعو وما في يدي قرب غير حبي فقير واقف بالباب أدعو وما في يدي قرب غير حبي فإن عافيتني فلا أنت أهل وإن أبعدتني فبسوء ذنبي فإن عافيتني فلا أنت أهل وإن أبعدتني فبسوء ذنبي وإن أبعدتني فقير واقف بالباب أدعو وما في يدي قرب غير حبي فقير واقف بالباب أدعو وما في يدي قرب غير حبي فإن عافيتني فلا أنت أهل وإن أبعدتني فبسوء ذنبي فإن عافيتني فلا أنت أهل وإن أبعدتني فبسوء ذنبي وإن أبعدتني
شغوف إلى ربه أحب رضاه أحب لقاه يظل يجيء إلى ربوة قرار ويسمو وذا مبتغى فلا لهو يثني
Hey, the one that you got, that is serious.
Yeah,
Say hi. Yo, guys, it's snowing so bad. My dear just came back from work. See her footprints. Let me close the door. Oh, see, guys, even on the door. That's crazy.
عن سيره ولا جمع مال توشهوى.
Salam everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's like eat something right now. I just finished showering. I also ironed my work uniform and pray on my salat. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I'm about to eat right now, and what you guys think about my waakey, make sure to comment down below and tell me how you like your waakey, how you like to eat your waakey at least. And also the snowstorm is actually super crazy, and so I don't know if I'll be able to go to work tomorrow, but I spoke to my coworker and he's like he's doing a double shift, so if I can come in the morning, I don't know, but we'll see if I can go in tomorrow. But yes, with that being said, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And today's shout out goes to Afsa Adebayo. Thank you so much for commenting and liking on my video. I really do appreciate you. And don't forget to comment down below again if you want a shout out, and if you want a shout out, yes. And also don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you guys tomorrow, inshallah. No, see you on Tuesday, inshallah. Bye.
This shit too decent. Scale of 1 to 10, she a 10 piece. Usually I'm the one with the groovies. Shawty so bad.